Thanks for stopping in, you guys. I am excited that you're here. It's time to get into another episode of what I wore this week. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to everyone who's new here. My name is Ashley Park. Welcome to Park Avenue. I have tons of fashion content for you to check out. So if that's what you love, if you like outfit ideas, unboxings, I often talk about shopping our closet and reworking our looks. If that's what you like to see, then you're in the right place. Make sure you guys subscribe and be sure to hit that notification bell so that way you don't miss any of my uploads. So in today's video, I'm showing you guys some looks that you can easily recreate. I like outfits that I don't have to think too much about. I can be really comfortable, but still look very put together. And I'm also gonna share with you guys some easy ways that you can elevate your look. So let's get into the video. And before we get into the first outfit, I wanna shout out today's sponsor, LilySilk. Now, LilySilk is a brand that I have worked with before. They have really great quality mulberry silk. And I love styling their silk shirts. I'm gonna show you guys some outfits with a couple of their pieces coming up. But the pieces come in these gorgeous boxes. They have really nice packaging, so if you wanted to give it as a gift, that would be really nice to do. Everything's already set up for you. Now, what I picked up from LilySilk this time around are a couple of my favorites and then a couple of new things I really wanted to try out. So they had a set, what they call a safety set. They got a couple of sets on the website. One is a beauty set and one is a safety set. And this set comes with a face mask, which is really great for right now. A lot of us are traveling and we're gonna be in the airports and we're still required to wear masks. So it's nice to have a silk mask so that it's very breathable and comfortable. And it's this one is a pretty yellow color. You guys know I really like yellow. I've been mentioning a lot. I want to get some more like yellow pieces in my wardrobe. So let's start here. I think this is really nice. It feels comfortable on the skin. It's not gonna dry your skin out. I mean, we're already in the airport or on the plane or whatever you're doing, but a lot of times when you're on the plane, it dries the skin out. The airport, that plane air, that recycled air, it really can dry your skin out. So it's nice to have something that's a little bit more nourishing on your skin, and it just feels really nice, and it's nice and cool. In this set, it also comes with a sleep mask, and I love sleep masks. Oh my gosh. I like pitch black. When I'm sleeping, I love the complete darkness. And this one is nice and wide. I have a sleep mask, but it's too small, so I'm happy to have this one. I think it is a lot more plush, a little bit more elevated. And a good thing about this one, it has an adjustable band. A sleep mask that I had before, the band wasn't adjustable. It was like scrunchy, but it was very snug. I like that this one is stretchy and it's also adjustable. Very comfortable to wear, and it covers a good amount of surface area on the face, so you can block out any light, any night lights, any street lights, any TV lights, and it's very comfortable to wear. And you can also take this on the plane with you too. And the next thing I got in the set is a couple of these silk cocoons. I'm very curious to try these out. I think that the concept is really cool, and I've been reading up on these, and they have a lot of benefits for the skin. You just sit them in some warm water, and then once they plump up and soften up, you put it on your fingertip, and then you just massage your face with it, and it offers a light exfoliation, which I love. I love a light exfoliation because I can do it more often, and even daily sometimes depending on your skin. And I like that I can lighten my dark spots faster. It smooths out my skin. It helps with fine lines. And I think it's a really cool little thing to try out and see if you like it and see if it works for you. So I'm excited about these. I'll keep you guys posted, but this is a really cool idea. I also got a silk pillowcase, another one. I have one already that I have been using every single night since I got it from LilySilk. I got a green one, and I can link to that video if you guys want to check out the last video where I showed you guys the green one that I have. But now I have a yellow one. I was actually due for a new one. It's nice to have a nice fresh one. What I would recommend is getting it in sets of 2 is what I should have done before. So going forward, I'm just going to always get sets of 2. And then it could be for you and your partner, or you can just have a backup for yourself if that's the case. Now, the one that I'm happy came in this set was the one that has the fold over. They also have other versions, but I prefer the one that actually like folds over. In cases the pillow, it has like a little slot right here, and then it folds over, and the pillow's like nice and tucked in there. I prefer this version, so I don't have any issues with the zipper getting stuck or ripping in the wash. And I always just wash my LilySilk items in a garment bag. I put them in a mesh bag, and then they're fine. I put them in the wash on gentle cycle. And sometimes I'll wash them with my other gentle cycle things, but they're usually pretty good if I keep it in that mesh bag. So really nice. I love the sheen. It's nice and cool on the skin. It won't suck up all your skincare. And if you spend so much time taking care of your skin, you do want to have fabrics around you that you're laying on and putting your face on every single night that are comfortable, and they're not going to ruin or undo everything you've already done with all your beautiful skincare. I also got 2 more pieces from LilySilk. I have a gorgeous black button-up shirt, and then I also got a black cashmere turtleneck. And I know you're probably wondering, like, Ashley, why'd you get a turtleneck? Like, it's the middle of the summer. But girl, I'm gonna tell you why in a second. I love LilySilk's silk tops, and I love their cashmere turtlenecks. The turtlenecks are some of my favorite cashmere pieces. So I wanna show you guys how to style them up coming up. But if you do wanna shop the pieces that I'm sharing with you guys today, I'll have links in the description box. And I also have a 15% off code if you want to shop the products or any of the products LilySilk has. They have some silk dresses, they have pajamas, they have a huge range of mulberry silk products that you guys should definitely check out. And I'll have the coupon code in the description box as well. But be sure to use that code if you want to get 15% off your order. Now here's the first look I want to show you guys, and I absolutely love this look. So simple, very easy, and very polished. The top that I'm wearing is LilySilk, and this top is gorgeous. It's comfortable. I got it very oversized because I wanted a very, easy breezy kind of look. I also have this top in white, and I really love this top. I've styled it some ways in the past for you guys, and it looks so high end, so elevated, very nice. If you're looking for a silk top, definitely check this out. They have so many colors. They have a lot of colors to choose from. So I would say get the basics and then branch out from there. But whatever your wardrobe calls for, then definitely check them out because they'll have some colors that you guys are gonna like. But I do suggest getting white and black. I mean, those are perfect and they're staples, and you'll be able to wear them over and over and over. So I'm styling this LilySilk top just with a half tuck, very simply. I'm wearing my high-waisted cheeky straight jeans I love. I think that the wash on these are so sophisticated. The fit is so nice. It doesn't have too much stretch, and it keeps its structure very nicely. If you're a curvy girl and you're looking for some jeans, I always recommend these. They have a finished hem, and I like that they have a finished hem because so many jeans are distressed and so many jeans have unfinished hems, and I love those as well. Trust me, I have quite a few pair. But it's nice to have something with a finished hem. It adds to the sophistication of the overall look. And you can wear this outfit into the office, especially like on a casual Friday. You still want to keep a very polished look, but you want to be a little bit relaxed. And this look is giving that. I just styled it up with my basic black pumps from Sam Edelman. They have a higher heel, but they're super comfortable. So if you're looking for a heel that you can wear around the office, if you have to run to meetings, maybe you're wanting something to wear to like business meetings, if you go to lunch or whatever the case is, you can walk around in these very easily. And then I finished the entire look with my Chloe Tess handbag. A very polished look, very comfortable, easy, effortless, chic. I mean, it's giving model off duty kind of a vibe. An all-around really great look, especially if you need to wear something into the office, but you want to wear jeans, or if you're going to lunch, like I said, very casual. And you can swap out the heels for flats if you wanted to as well. That would also be a very polished look, but a lot more comfortable. Here's the next look I want to show you guys, and this is absolutely perfect for travel. If you guys have any vacations coming up, if you know you're going to be spending a little bit of time in the airport anytime soon, then this is the kind of look that you might want to consider. I'm wearing over my shoulders kind of like a cardigan. I'm wearing my LilySilk cashmere turtleneck. They do cashmere very well at LilySilk. It feels very soft, and cashmere is just one of those materials that elevates your look, elevates your wardrobe. It keeps you warm, but it's lightweight. We don't want to add any bulk. As curvy girls, we do not need to add any more bulk with thick, heavy sweaters. And this cashmere turtleneck is a nice weight. It's not too thick, it's not too thin, but it's very comfortable, and you can layer up with it. So I just have it here over my shoulders, and I'm wearing it kind of like preppy style, but I can also just throw it on over my tank top when I need that warmth. It's freezing in the airport, or maybe you're in, an office where you can be a little bit more casual. Whatever the case is, you can keep this over your shoulders and then throw it on when you need to do it. Maybe you're like at brunch or something. It's really cold in the restaurants as well, and it's summertime, so I like to have something I can just throw over my shoulders, and I love this top for that. And then once we get into the cooler months and hit the winter time, you got yourself a really nice classic turtleneck that you're going to be able to wear so much. I also have this turtleneck in another color, and I wore it to death last winter. You guys are going to see it again in this winter coming up, so stay tuned. But I'll leave the color name in the description box if you guys want to check it out. They have a nice variety of colors as well for the turtlenecks. So get your hands on a couple of colors. Again, I suggest going with the basics, but if you got the basics covered, then get some of the colors as well. And then under my cashmere turtleneck, I'm wearing a ribbed tank top in white, very easy to style, very comfortable. It's a basic. And then for my pants, I'm wearing these Banana Republic joggers. I've worn these a lot in workwear videos I've shown you guys. I've shown you how to style it for the office, but here's a way that you can wear these casually if you have them and you want to, get more out of them. You can wear these like I'm showing you here, very casually, almost like a sweatpant, but they're not sweatpants. They are slacks. They're actual trousers. They have an elevated look, but you have that comfort because they have the elastic waistband. They're tapered and they just fit nice. They're comfortable. They have pockets, all the above. And then for shoes, I'm wearing my Gucci Mules in white leather. Very comfortable. The more I wear them, the more I love them. They break in very nicely. If you're looking for an elevated, easy shoe that's still very dressy, but not too dressy, this is a good shoe for that. You can wear it comfortably to walk around in. A tip that I always like to share when I tell you guys about these Gucci Mules is to get a rubber sole at the bottom and then put a tap on the heel, and these shoes will last you almost forever. You can walk in them for days and know that they're going to be fine. So if you ever need to have anything replaced, they just replace that rubber sole and the tap, and then you don't have to do any actual work on the shoe, because it can be quite expensive to get the shoes if you mess up the leather to get them fixed. And sometimes you can't even fix it. So it's better to do something preventative. So definitely take them to the cobbler as soon as you pick them up. And because we're doing some traveling in this outfit, I styled it with my Burberry tote. This one is reversible. I haven't found this color, but I have been able to find it for you guys in black. So I'll link it if I can find it again for this video. But if you have the Saint Laurent tote, that's going to be great. If you have a Chanel DeVille tote, that's going to be cute. If you have a Louis Vuitton Neverfull, that's going to be perfect as well. So any tote you have, you can throw in with this. I also think this outfit would be super cute with like a little knapsack. Maybe you like to carry a knapsack or like a book bag or something instead of doing a tote. And this outfit will work as well. Here's the next look I have for you guys. And I love a baby doll dress. We all know that. This one is a little bit of a longer version. I got this one from Zara, but I will link to some similar versions that are still available for you guys. And what I did here to elevate this look is I styled the baby doll dress with my Gucci platform slides that I have been loving. These are the shoe of the summer. Like, everybody's looking for these. If you don't already have them, everyone is looking for these. And one of you DM'd me. I actually found out that they are on pre-order at Saks. You can get them from the Gucci site. They're in production currently. When you go to the website and you go to put your order in, it tells you that it's in production, so you're gonna have a little bit of a wait time. I think they're not gonna be available until the end of July or sometime in August. So a little patience there, but if you can get your hands on them, I definitely recommend them. Any color you can get them in, I think they're great. They're very wearable, they're comfortable. These slides are true to size. For me, they were. I got my true size, which usually I have to go up a size in European shoes, but I didn't have to do that with these. Overall, a great shoe. If you're considering it, I say pull the trigger. They're going, even if they go out of style anytime, which I don't think is gonna happen anytime soon, but let's say they did, they're gonna come back around. So I think the denim ones are gonna be a really cool, like, vintage style for me. Like, if let's say I put them away and I don't wear them for years, when I pull them back out, I think this is gonna be a really cool vintage style. So I'm excited for that. And then I also got the matching headband. It's a denim Gucci headband. Love, love, love. Headbands I love, and I like to style them on bad hair days. They're just a nice little fun accessory to add. And again, something like this I think is gonna be a really cool vintage piece when it gets to be that. So I'm excited for that as well. But this is something that I don't think I will ever get tired of wearing, because the GG print is a classic denim. You cannot go wrong with it. And it's a headband, so it goes with everything. And then for my bag, I'm wearing my Chloe Test because the colors just work perfectly here. I have those gold pops, and it's just a really great everyday bag. Here's the next look I want to show you guys. And this one is a little preppy, very simple, perfect for like Friday at the office, very casual and polished if you want to wear something like running errands, but you want to look put together. The top that I'm wearing is just an easy knit top from Banana Republic. They don't have this exact one, but even the collarless ones would give the same effect. Very nice. I love the color. I love the way it feels. It's just very comfortable. The jeans that I'm wearing are another version of my cheeky straight jeans from The Gap. I love these jeans. This version is a little bit lighter in terms of wash. It has a little bit of distressing, nothing crazy, but then it also has the paint splatters, which was why I gravitated to these, because I thought it was a fun aspect of the jeans. Very comfortable, keep the structure the same high waist, and all the good stuff. I think these are great jeans to check out. And then for shoes, I'm wearing my Gucci Mules. Cannot go wrong in these. Any color you guys get in these, you're gonna like them and wear them a lot. The white ones have been the ones that I've worn the most. Out of all of them, I have 3 colors, and the white have been the go-to pair for me. So I would have said black in the past, or maybe even the camel color, but now if you ask me, after having 3 pair and having them for a while, the white is the way to go. And for my bag, I just went with a carry-all. I went with my Burberry tote because it just worked for the look that I was trying to give you guys, like an easy breezy, effortless look. But you can do a crossbody bag, you can do a top handle bag, you can definitely change things up here, and you can do a sneaker with this look as well. I wear my loafers kind of like sneakers. My loafers and my Oxfords, when I want to do something that gives me a sneaker vibe, but I don't want to wear a sneaker, I reach for shoes like these. But you can do an actual sneaker here and they'll still look really good. Now here's the last look that I have for you guys, and this is a jumpsuit. I love a jumpsuit. Now, as a curvy girl, it can be difficult to pinpoint a really great jumpsuit just because like I'm not the same size on the top that I am on the bottom, and I know that a lot of you have that same issue. But jumpsuits, when we find the right ones, we might have to get it tailored, but when we find the right ones, they're really great. I love one and done kind of things. Like one piece outfits are so easy. And this has a really nice print on it. It's strapless. This is something that's really great to take on a vacation. Like if you found a jumpsuit or any type of set, even if it was 2 pieces, it gives the appearance that it's a jumpsuit or 1 piece outfit. You can take it on vacation with you. They're easy to pack. You can just roll them up. You can put them in a tote bag, you know, wear them after the beach. These are great. I like this one because it does have the print. I'll link to some similar versions of this outfit, and if you guys already have something like this is an easy way to style it. I just threw on a pair of gold sandals. These are my Tory Burch sandals. A metallic is it for me. Any excuse where I can wear gold or over gold, lots of gold, extra gold, all the gold, I'm here for it. You could also swap out the gold flat shoe for a heel. You can do like a gold heel or maybe a nude heel, something kind of clear or more naked looking so you can show more leg. That's really great as well. And then for my bag, because I was doing a flat and I was making this a very casual outfit, very dressed down, I went with my Chloe Tess because that is my everyday bag and I thought it paired really nicely here. So that is it, you guys. We're giving all the looks this week. I got you covered. If you need an airport travel outfit, if you need a Friday office look, comfy casual outfits, something to wear on vacation, we got it covered. And if you want to shop the pieces that I showed you guys from LilySilk or any of the products that they offer on the website, I'll have the link to everything that I showed you guys, and be sure to use that coupon code to get the 15% off your purchase. And I'll see you guys in the next video. If you enjoyed this one, be sure to give it a thumbs up and let me know which outfit was your favorite in the comments. Bye guys.